There's a famous saying that you have executed something with the precision of the surgeon. I think now we get a new vocabulary. We now shall be talking of cyberknife precision. When I was listening to the experts, and they were able to tell us that the cyberknife is able to be as precise as a single human hair strand. That is, the laser can become as small as the human hair strand, one. Then that tells you that indeed technology can take us very far. This is also a milestone, and it shows us that Kenyans can achieve a lot if we are focused. If you can have that cyberknife precision, we can go places. Some of the diseases they talk about here are diseases that bankrupt families. First of all, you inflict the pain, the emotional pain, and then they inflict the financial pain. Many families have gone to ruin because either they have not been able to access this kind of medical service at an affordable cost, at a realistic cost, or alternatively because it's not there at all. So I think we all owe it to the team here to really congratulate them in taking this very bold step and making Kenya one of the first in this particular